Once you've made it to the banner home screen, you can type in FAIVNDH and click the vendor detail history option to go to the screen. Now that we're on this screen, you can clear this warning up top here if you have it by clicking on this bell. Alright, so now that we've got that cleared, let's go ahead and look at the vendor field. You will see 3 dots next to the vendor field. You go ahead and click on that ellipsis and then click on the first option for Entity Name ID Search. Now that you've done that, you can go to the last name field and you can type in a name of your vendor, and you can use the wildcard, which is a percentage sign, to search. So I'm going to look for Cisco, and I'm going to hit that percentage sign. You're going to hit go, and you will make sure that your vendor is selected, is highlighted there, which mine is. It's the only Cisco on the list. And you will go to the bottom right, and you'll hit select. Now that just flooded in the vendor field there with the vendor number. I am not really going to change anything else. I would like to search in the current fiscal year, and if the information looks good, you can hit go, but you do have the availability to change some of these other fields if you'd like. So as you can see here, here is a list of all the payments that we have made to Cisco starting from the fiscal year, which is July 1st, until the current date. As you can see on the bottom left, there are 17 pages currently. That's how frequently we pay Cisco. So going to go to the very last page here. If you look at the last 2 columns, it shows the check date and the check number. So just so you know, like if the vendor asks, when the check went out or what the check number was, you can use this screen to let them know that information. Likewise, you can click on an invoice, make sure it is selected, and then you can go up top to related, and you can do this first option, which is view invoice information. So let's click that. We're going to clear this warning and we'll hit go. And this is the information that was put into Emburse. You can use these arrows on the bottom left to sift through it here. Looks like it was groceries for culinary program, the amount. You can see the index and the account code used. So just using these arrows kind of loops you through it here. So that's in case you ever wanted to delve deeper into the invoice itself. Now to get away from this, you're just going to click this X and it's going to take us back to the list. Pretty simple. So if you have any questions on this screen, feel free to reach out to me. I can do my best to help you. Thank you.